Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube Fluid Art channel. I'm Susie. What we're working on today is a straight pour, and I just have a few colors for this. I have deep purple, blue-green by Pebeo, primary yellow, black, magenta, and blue. So those are the colors, and some gold. And so I'm going to layer the cup and just with those colors that I told you, I'll just layer them one after another and then repeat the layers. And the base is a mixture of Caput Mortem, which is by Amsterdam. It's a plumish violet color, and I'm using that for the base today. It's mixed with Floetrol. And so now I'm pouring the straight pour. Hi, I'm back. I just love the way this one turned out. It's so sparkly, and the blue-green and the purple and the gold is showing up so well in the outcome of this. And there's a few different shades of blue, and then you got the blue-green in there, and I think it's so cute. I just really like the way this one turned out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you on the next video.